In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix incorrect Hindi font in Canva. If your Hindi text looks broken, scrambled, or uneven inside Canva, this usually comes down to formatting issues, unsupported fonts, or spacing settings that are not working well with Devanagari script. The good news is that Canva gives you the tools to correct this quickly, and you do not need any advanced design knowledge to do it. Start by opening your Canva project from the home dashboard. Go into your recent designs and open the one you want to fix. Once the canvas loads, find the Hindi text box that is showing the problem and click on it once so the text frame is selected. This is important because all the formatting changes you make next need to be applied directly to that text box. One of the most common reasons Hindi text appears incorrectly is that it was copied from a website or document carrying hidden formatting. Those background styles can interfere with proper character rendering. To avoid that, click inside the text box and paste your Hindi text as plain text instead of using the normal paste shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and V. On a Mac, press Command, Shift, and V. This removes unwanted formatting and keeps only the clean Unicode text, which gives Canva a much better chance of displaying the script correctly. Next, check the font you are using. Some fonts simply do not support Devanagari properly, which can lead to missing ligatures, floating vowel marks, or unreadable letters. With the text box still selected, go to the Font Family menu in the top toolbar. Search for Hindi or Devanagari fonts and choose one that is designed to handle the script well, such as Hind, Yatra 1, Roja 1, Roja, or Poppins. As soon as you switch to a compatible font, the text often becomes much cleaner and easier to read. If the text is now correct but still looks cramped or awkward, adjust the spacing settings. Open the spacing controls from the top toolbar, then gently increase or decrease letter spacing if characters feel too tight. After that, adjust line spacing so that words on separate lines do not overlap, especially around the top headline line of the script. Small spacing changes can make a big visual difference, so move slowly and check the preview as you go. Finally, review the text placement on your design. Drag the text box slightly and use Canva's alignment guides to make sure it sits neatly with the rest of your layout. When everything looks right, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG if the design is for digital use, or PDF print if it is for printing, and then download your final file. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.